Sunlight filtered through the soil, gentle and golden. Mole scrubbed his burrow, irritated by the dust. "Hang spring cleaning," He declared, scrambling upward. He blinked, breaking through to a gleaming world. The smell of grass, the sound of birds, the warm sun. Mole stood in awe, eyes wide, tweed askew. He laughed softly, everything so bright and alive. He wandered through meadows, wind whispering. He heard the murmur of moving water, the river. Mole followed the sound until he saw a rat. Rat sat on the bank, gazing at the river. A wooden boat floated beside him, tied to a branch. "Hello," called Mole, hesitant but curious. Rat turned, bright eyes glinting. "Well, hello there." "Would you like to come for a row?" Rat asked cheerfully. Mole found himself in the boat, heart fluttering. Rat pushed off from shore, sunlight glancing. Willows trailed green fingers in the water. "It's so wonderful," Mole breathed. Rat smiled. "The river's the very best of friends. Nothing half so much worth doing as messing about in boats." They drifted downstream in the golden afternoon. Mole leaned back, jacket catching the light. He felt peaceful, free, like a new world opened. The river carried them gently along. Mole trailed his hand in the cool water. Rat pointed out a kingfisher flashing by. They shared stories and laughter on the river. Mole felt a bond forming with Rat. As the sun slipped below the trees, the current whispered. Mole closed his eyes, smiling contentedly. The river seemed to sing a song of friendship. The river seemed to sing a song of friendship. The river seemed to sing a song of friendship. The river seemed to sing a song of friendship. The river seemed to sing a song of friendship.